Hey friends, if you encounter the unexpected error in Windows Defender, then please watch this video. So before anything else, just restart the Windows Security Service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services, and then scroll down to the Windows Security Service and then right click on it and select restart. Now in many cases you will not have the option to do that, it will be grayed out. That is absolutely fine. You can restart the computer instead. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select the option to restart the computer. The next solution is to install all updates. Why? I'll explain later, but how? Let me explain that first. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, select check for updates in the right pane, and the last solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.